I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make Peking chicken wontons. Now we're going to talk about cucumbers. I love cucumbers in this and any other dish. Cucumbers are almost always eaten raw, and they add a lot of crunch and some nice texture and real refreshing. They're very refreshing on the palate, so I like them, and they're going to be great in this dish. This is an example of an English cucumber. You can find it in the grocery store wrapped in plastic wrap. And that's how you know it's different from the regular other cucumbers. Their Persian cucumbers are good too. They're much smaller and they have a very thin skin. This cucumber, you're going to have to take the skin off. Peeler, but actually I think I'm just going to use my knife. Take both ends off. That's how I like to do it. And then cut it down the middle. Cucumbers usually have a curve, so it'll be hard to do it in one piece, so I do it in two pieces. English cucumbers are great because they have more cucumber. They're very meaty, and there's not much seeds in them, so you don't have to worry too much about the seeds. So I just run my knife down them like that. And these do have some seeds, so we're going to cut out the seeds a little bit. I just make a triangular wedge. Some people scoop it out with a spoon, but that seems like more work to me. You do 2 cuts and the whole thing's out, or most of the seeds are out. There. And then what I like to do for this dish is I'm going to dice it up fine because we have to make our filling to go in those little cups. So everything has to be diced pretty fine. And the cucumber will be ready for our filling. When we come back, we're going to make the Peking chicken sauce. We're really cooking now.